Do you feel stuck in a cycle of wanting more, but not knowing how to make it happen? Do you feel like you're waiting for something to happen and not making it happen? I was in that exact position over 4 years ago when I was working in a laboring job in a glass factory. I was working 50+ hours a week. I barely spent time with my family, and I knew that I had to make some kind of change in my life to change that. And the big thing was working on my personal growth and building skills so I could build something in my spare time so I could eventually walk away from my full-time job. So you need to start before you're ready. I started before I was ready. I started listening to audios, started reading books, I started getting outside of the box, changing my associations. And honestly, and it wasn't all in one go. But if you start now, even if that's just listening to podcasts, even if that's just watching these videos, you will start taking the steps, even if it's small steps, in the right direction. That takes me to number one. You need to start before you're ready. That is the number one key. Because if you wait for the perfect time or the perfect opportunity, or you wait for something to fall on your lap, it's never going to happen. Never. But if you start now, before you're ready, you can move the needle in the right direction towards the desired outcome that you wish to achieve in your life. But you need to start before you're ready and figure out exactly what your dream is and why you want it. What's your dream? You need to know exactly what your dream is. So what's your desired outcome in life? Like, what are you working towards? Do you want to leave your work? Do you want to spend more time with your family? Do you want more of the material things? Do you want a not really nice house, a nice car? Do you want to own a Ferrari? What is it? You know, it's different for everybody. For me, it was time. I wanted time with my family, and I couldn't do that working a full-time job doing 50+ hours a week. Time is precious. Time is our number one asset. So for me, it's time. And for you, it might not be time. Maybe you want to own nice things. Maybe you want to travel the world. Whatever it is. The thing is that what you're doing right now will not give you the outcome that you desire. Because if you're watching this video, you want more than what you have. So you need to follow these steps if you wish to work towards that. So number one, start before you're ready. So you're starting now. Today, after watching this video, you're getting started. You need to figure out exactly what your dream is and why you want it. Why do you want your dream? So what's your dream? Why do you want it? Is it your family? Is that your reason? You need a really good defined reason why you're going to do it, or else you're going to fall back. It's going to get difficult at times. Adversity comes your way. Difficulties come. Obstacles come. You've got to really change your mind and change the way you think, and that takes a bit of time. You've got to have a really good reason for it. And that takes me to number 3, which is you need to start learning the necessary skills that will enable you to be able to achieve your desired outcome. You know, maybe you're going to write a book. Maybe you're going to learn more about sales. Maybe your communication and confidence skills. Watching these videos. This is adding to your skills and your learning. So, but number one, you need to focus on your personal growth. So, you know, the school system teaches us the opposite. They just teach us that we need to get really good grades, go get a job, go get a house, have kids, die, and that's it. Reality is, personal growth is so important. You know, reading books, listening to podcasts, getting around positive association is so important. So you need to focus on your personal growth first. Get the skills, but as long as that doesn't get in the way of your personal growth. Okay, start reading 2 pages of a book a day. Listen to 1 podcast a day. Start watching 1 of these videos a day. You know, slowly but consistently, surely you'll start building yourself up. And that takes me to number 4, This needs to be small, daily, consistent action. So you need to do this daily. You need to start learning the skill daily, start reading books daily, start listening to podcasts daily. You know, small but surely and consistently over time. And when you do this, track your progress. So start tracking your progress at an appropriate time. Straight away is the best, really. And, you know, start ticking off what you do. So let's say you read 2 pages of a book, you watch one of these videos a day, and you listen to a podcast a day. Have a list at the end of each day, tick it off or cross it off accordingly. And when you cross it off, make sure you do cross it, because the next day you're going to be motivated to actually tick it. It's going to push you forward to do it. The difference between unsuccessful people and successful people is successful people hold themselves accountable, and other people hold them accountable too, is even better. But if right now you can only hold yourself accountable, you know, you're just around your employee friends, it's fine, do that. That takes me to number 5. Keep moving forward. Be persistent. So after you start implementing these, you find the skill you want to learn, you start growing yourself personally, you know, you start on this growth journey, just keep moving forward. So when you know what you're going to do and you're working towards that, keep moving forward. Don't stop for anything. It does take time. It takes consistency, persistency, and time. It takes a bit of time. It may take you 12 months. It may take you 24 months. It's gradual. So the success meter, in terms of growth, is small but surely. What success really looks like is this. Yay! Muscles. I'm strong now. It's not a straight line. So take it easy. Give yourself some grace being on this journey. So start implementing these principles. And then it's going to take time. There's going to be setbacks. There's going to be obstacles. There's going to be adversities. As soon as you set goals, just stretch yourself and grow yourself, there's going to be pushback. Our minds are designed to protect us, to keep us safe. You need to get outside your comfort zone. And doing all of this is going to get you outside of your comfort zone. But that's exactly where you need to be. If you're watching this video, you want to accomplish something. And I dare you to accomplish your dream. Go do it. I'm looking forward to seeing you on the other side when you're growing. And I'll see you on the next video. Over and out, Kane.
Hey, Growth Seeker. Imagine walking into any room, commanding attention, and effortlessly building connections, and enhancing your current relationships. Well, Growth Master Academy has created a masterclass just for you. Do you want to enhance your skills and keep going on this journey? Well, go and visit growthmasteracademy.online and you'll see this masterclass that is created just for you, which won't take much of your time at all. It's just 10 minutes, just showing you some amazing content on how you can enhance your confidence and inner patience skills. So go and hit that button, go and visit the website, and I will see you on there. Let's go, Growth Seeker. Over and out, Kane.